What if I told you that beneath one of the most luxurious hotels in New York City, there is a secret, abandoned train platform that doesn't appear on any map? It's not for commuters, and it's not for the subway. It was built for one specific president to hide a secret from the world. New York is a state defined by its secrets. From laws that ban you from taking selfies with tigers, to a park so massive it could swallow Yellowstone whole, to the fact that the entire modern world of toilet paper was invented right here. Welcome back to the World Blueprint. Today, we are exposing the Empire State. We're counting down 50 amazing facts about New York, starting with a bonus secret that might just change how you see the city forever. Let's get into it. Bonus fact: if you're on a dating app in New York, put the tiger away. In 2014, the state passed a law explicitly making it illegal to take a selfie with a tiger. Why? Because so many people were posing with big cats at county fairs for their Tinder profiles that it became a public safety hazard. The fine, $500. Now, let's start the official countdown. 50. New York is famous for its fashion, but watch your footwear. In New York City, an old ordinance technically makes it illegal to wear slippers in public after 10 p.m. It's rarely enforced, but maybe change into sneakers just to be safe. 49. Speaking of old laws, be careful who you wink at. There is a law on the books that allows a $25 fine for flirting in public. It was originally designed to stop men from harassing women on the street in the early 1900s. 48. If you're walking down the street on a Sunday, check your pockets. It is technically illegal to walk around with an ice cream cone in your back pocket on the Sabbath. This isn't about being messy. It was an old trick used to steal horses. The horse would follow the ice cream, and the thief could claim the horse just followed him home. 47. New Yorkers are loud, we know this, but legally they shouldn't be. Honking your car horn in NYC is illegal unless it is an emergency. Those "don't honk" $350 penalty signs are real, even if every cab driver ignores them. 46. Do you like puppet shows? Don't perform one in your window. New York City Code lists window puppet shows as a violation if they cause a crowd to gather and block the sidewalk. 45. Pinball wizards were once criminals. From the 1940s until 1976, pinball machines were banned in NYC. Mayor LaGuardia believed they were mob-run gambling devices. Police actually conducted pinball raids, smashing machines with sledgehammers. 44. Here is a dark one. If you jump off a building in New York, the penalty is death. Okay, that's an urban legend, but the act of suicide was considered a grave crime in early state common law, though obviously you can't prosecute the deceased. 43. Let's look at the sky. The Empire State Building is a lightning rod, literally. It gets struck by lightning an average of 23 times every single year. Laboratory experiments are actually conducted there to study the strikes. 42. Einstein's eyes are in New York. Not a statue, his actual eyes. After his death, the pathologist who performed his autopsy stole his eyes and gave them to Einstein's eye doctor. They are currently stored in a safety deposit box in New York City. 41. We all know the Big Apple, but do you know why? It has nothing to do with fruit farming. In the 1920s, a sports writer heard stable hands in New Orleans refer to the New York City racetracks as the Big Apple, meaning the big prize, the place everyone wanted to be. He popularized the term, and it stuck. 40. Let's leave the city. You probably think of national parks as being out west, but the Adirondack Park in upstate New York is a monster. It is larger than Yellowstone, Yosemite, Glacier, and the Grand Canyon National Parks combined. 39. Within those mountains, New York has a forever wild clause. It's one of the only states to write environmental protection directly into its constitution, ensuring the Adirondacks and Catskills remain untouched by corporations forever. 38. You know Niagara Falls, but it's not the tallest in the state. That honor goes to Tawanic Falls in the Finger Lakes. It drops 215 feet. That's 33 feet taller than the Horseshoe Falls at Niagara. 37. New York is technically a southern state, depending on your perspective. New York City is actually geographically south of Rome, Italy, and Madrid, Spain. We just get much worse winters because of atmospheric currents. 36. Speaking of water, New York City has a staggering 520 miles of coastline. That is more shoreline than Miami, Boston, Los Angeles, and San Francisco combined. If you walk 20 miles a day, it would take you nearly a month to walk the perimeter of the city. 35. Up north, they have the Grand Canyon of the East. Letchworth State Park features 3 massive waterfalls and gorge walls rising up to 600 feet. It was voted the best state park in the nation in 2015. 34. The U.S. Navy conducts sonar tests in the middle of New York State. Why? Because Seneca Lake, one of the Finger Lakes, is so deep, 618 feet, that it provides a perfect testing ground for submarine technology. 33. Islands? We got 'em. The Thousand Islands region actually contains 1,864 islands. To legally count as an island here, the land must be above water year-round and support at least one living tree. 32. New York is an agricultural beast. It ranks 4th in the nation for dairy production. If New York was a country, its yogurt production alone would rank it in the top 5 globally. 31. And it's not just milk. New York is the apple empire, producing the 2nd most apples in the country, right behind Washington State. That muffin you're eating, there's a good chance the apples came from the Hudson Valley. We are halfway through the list, and we haven't even touched on the secret nuclear history or the hidden underground vaults yet. If you are enjoying this deep dive into the world's most fascinating places, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. At World Blueprint, we are building a library of the Earth's most amazing stories, and you don't want to miss our next trip. Okay, let's get back to it with number 30. Toilet paper. You can thank New York for it. In 1857, Joseph Gaiety invented the first commercially available toilet paper in New York City. Before that, well, let's just say you don't want to know what they used. 29. The potato chip was an act of revenge. In 1853, a chef named George Crumb in Saratoga Springs was annoyed by a customer who kept sending his fries back for being too thick. Crumb sliced a potato paper thin, fried it to a crisp, and covered it in salt to spite the guy. The customer loved them, and the Saratoga chip was born. 28. Air conditioning began in Brooklyn. In 1902, Willis Carrier invented the first modern AC unit, but he didn't do it to keep people cool. He did it to keep paper from wrinkling due to humidity in a printing plant. 27. The teddy bear is a New York native. It was named after Theodore Roosevelt, a New York governor and U.S. president. The toy was created in Brooklyn after news spread that Roosevelt refused to shoot a bear cub while on a hunting trip. 26. Uncle Sam was a real guy. His name was Samuel Wilson, a meat packer from Troy, New York. During the War of 1812, he stamped barrels of beef with U.S. for the United States. But soldiers started joking that the food came from Uncle Sam. The name stuck. 25. Women's rights started here. The first women's rights convention was held in Seneca Falls, New York in 1848, sparking the suffragette movement that would eventually lead to the 19th Amendment. 24. The Woodstock Music Festival. It didn't happen in Woodstock. The town of Woodstock, New York, denied the permit. The festival actually took place in Bethel, New York, 40 miles away, on Max Yasgur's dairy farm. 23. New York was the first state to require license plates on cars in 1901. Back then, there was no standard plate. You had to make your own with your initials on it, like a monogrammed towel for your car. 22. New York City was the first capital of the United States. George Washington was inaugurated at Federal Hall on Wall Street in 1789. If history had gone differently, Wall Street might be where the White House stands today. 21. The oldest state park in the U.S. isn't in the West. It's Niagara Falls State Park, established in 1885. It set the precedent for the entire American idea of conserving natural land for the public. 20. Let's go underground. The New York City subway system has 472 stations, the most of any system in the world. You could visit one station every day, and it would take you well over a year to see them all. 19. Speaking of the subway, there are microscopic shrimp in the water. tiny crustaceans called copepods live in the New York City tap water supply. They are harmless and actually help keep the water clean by eating mosquito larvae. Yes, your bagel water has shrimp in it. 18. If Brooklyn were an independent city, it would be the fourth largest city in the United States, bigger than Houston, Phoenix, and Philadelphia. It would be a major global power all on its own. 17. Queens is the world's language capital. It is verified as the most linguistically diverse place on Earth, with as many as 800 languages spoken in just that one borough. 16. In the 17th century, oysters were so abundant in New York Harbor that they were considered poor people's food. Pearl Street is named that because it was literally paved with crushed oyster shells. 15. The price of a slice of pizza and a subway ride have been magically linked for 50 years. It's called the pizza principle. Whenever the price of the subway goes up, the price of a slice almost always matches it within months. 14. The Bronx Zoo once saved the American bison. By 1907, the bison was almost extinct. The Bronx Zoo bred them and shipped them back out west to repopulate the plains. Your majestic western buffalo might have a New York accent. 13. Central Park is massive. It is larger than the entire country of Monaco. You could fit the entire principality inside the park with room to spare. 12. There is a secret village under Central Park. Before the park was built, a thriving African-American community called Seneca Village existed there. The city used eminent domain to evict the residents and bulldoze their homes to build the park in 1857. 11. The Statue of Liberty wasn't fully free. While the statue was a gift from France, they didn't pay for the pedestal. New York ran out of money, and it was only finished because newspaper magnate Joseph Pulitzer ran a campaign asking everyday Americans to donate pennies. 10. New York has a state muffin. In 1987, after intense lobbying by elementary school students, the apple muffin became the official state muffin of New York. 9. The Buffalo Wing was an accident. In 1964, the owner of the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York, received a delivery of chicken wings instead of other parts. She decided to deep fry them and toss them in hot sauce as a late-night snack for her son. The rest is delicious history. 8. New York's motto is Excelsior. It's Latin for ever upward. Stan Lee, the creator of Spider-Man and the Avengers, adopted it as his catchphrase because he loved the optimism of it. 7. There is a skyscraper in New York City with no windows. The Long Lines building at 33 Thomas Street is a massive concrete fortress. It was built to withstand a nuclear blast and protect the nation's long-distance phone lines, and arguably, NSA surveillance equipment. 6. The United Nations headquarters in New York City is not technically part of the United States. It is international territory. That means when you step onto the UN grounds, you are technically leaving the US. They have their own fire department, security, and laws. 5. During the Cold War, the US government stored 20,000 pounds of opium in the Hudson Valley, just in case a nuclear war cut off the supply of painkillers for survivors. 4. The Manhattan Project, the program that built the atomic bomb, was named after Manhattan because the project's first headquarters were in a hidden office near City Hall. 3. Let's talk about Track 61. Remember that hook? Beneath the Waldorf Astoria lies a secret train platform. It was used by President Franklin D. Roosevelt to enter the hotel privately, hiding his wheelchair from the public. His armored train car is still sitting down there in the dark, rusting away. 2. The Federal Reserve Bank in Manhattan holds the largest stockpile of gold in the world, stored 80 feet underground, resting on the Manhattan bedrock. There are over 7,000 tons of gold bars down there, more than Fort Knox. And you can't rob it, because the only way in is a massive 90-ton steel cylinder. 1. And the number one fact about New York, the island of Manhattan was purchased for $24. Or was it? The story goes that the Dutch bought Manhattan from the Lenape people for $24 worth of beads. But this is a myth. The Lenape didn't believe in land ownership. They thought they were accepting a gift for sharing the land, not selling it. It was a massive cultural misunderstanding that shaped the entire history of the modern world. The greatest city on earth was built on a receipt that one side didn't even know they were signing. New York is a place of endless stories, from secret gold vaults to misunderstandings that built empires. Which one of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you thought New York was crazy, you have no idea what's happening down south. We did a deep dive into the Sunshine State, and what we found was even wilder. Click this video right here. Florida's wildest secrets revealed in 50 amazing facts. There are things going on in the Everglades that make NYC look normal. Click it, and I'll see you there.